Good morning, students of class 8. Welcome to our online classes from LPM Public School, Golabazar, Gorakhpur. I am your science teacher, D.P.S. sir. Today, I am going to just give you an introduction to a new chapter, chapter 2, microorganisms, friend and foe. First of all, let me explain you about the meaning of this chapter. Microorganisms, those organisms which are not seen by our naked eyes, that could be only seen by the help of the microscope, such organisms are called the microorganisms. And what is the meaning of friend and what is the meaning of foe? There are few mechanisms which are helping nature, which comes in our help. Okay, just like it helps in preparation of food, it helps in decomposing the waste materials, it helps in preparation of medicines. Okay, so there are few organisms which are of helping nature and that helps the other living creatures. And there are certain microorganisms which are very harmful, and they so much harmful that even the person or the animal could die. So that's why they are not friendly in nature. That means they are our enemy. And the other meaning of enemy is foe. Means friend and foe. If they are helpful, they are friend. If they are not helpful, they are foe. So in this chapter, what the objective? What we will learn from this chapter? From this chapter, we will learn about the classification of microorganisms, means different types of microorganisms. We will learn about the different types of microorganisms in this chapter. Else what? Next, we will also learn from this chapter where the different types of microorganisms are found. The third point is that few helping and useful nature of microorganisms, and the other is that few harmful microorganisms who harms to other living organisms. In this chapter, we will also clear the concept about the art of food preservation, how we preserve the food so that it could last for a long time. We can also use in our off season also. So I will discuss about this 5 points in this chapter. Okay, students? So let's start the chapter about the classifications of microorganisms and what is microorganisms. Let's start. The branch of science that deals in study of such microorganisms is called the microbiology. Means I have just told you what is microorganisms, and the branch of science that deals in the study of these microorganisms is called the microbiology. In this chapter, we will discuss about the. So student, today I will classify about the microorganisms. Sorry, sir. Microorganisms are of 4 types: bacteria, virus, algae, fungi, and protozoa. These microorganisms has been divided into 5 different types of microorganisms, just like bacteria, virus, algae, fungi, and protozoa. Today I will explain about the bacteria. These bacteria are small unicellular organisms found everywhere, found in air, found in water, found in soil, as well as inside the body of other organisms. There are 4 different types of bacteria, depends on their shape, comma shape, vibrio shape, okay, rod shape, spiral shape, spherical shape. So these are different 4 types of bacteria are there according to the same that I will just show you. Next, they are made up of, they move by the help of flagella or mustache like two hair like structure. Okay, or by the side of the whole body there is a small teeny hair like structure that is called the flagella, by the help of which they crawl and moves forward. Okay, they moves by the help of flagella. Some can prepare their food. There are some bacteria that can prepare their food. Some depends on other for their food, and some depend on other dead organisms for their food. Okay. So again I want to repeat you about the bacteria. Bacteria are small organisms, living organisms. They are of unicellular. Uni means single cell. Inside the body there is only one cell present that performs all the various work of that body with only a single cell. They are found everywhere, in water, in air, in soil, as well as inside the living creatures. They are of 4 types. They move by the help of flagella. Some of the bacteria can prepare their food, and some depend on the other for their food, and some depend on the dead organisms for their food. Okay, students. Some bacteria which are useful to human beings, by the help of which we prepare some, just like the curdling of milk, means changing milk to curd. There is a requirement of certain bacteria which helps in changing the milk to curd. This is a useful bacteria. Another one bacteria is that one rhizobium bacteria which present in the root nodules of the rhizobium plant, of the leguminous plant that present in the root of those plants, and those bacteria helps to trap the nitrate from the atmosphere, convert into nitrate, and provide the nitrate to the plant for the body growth as well as preparation of protein in them. So Lactobacillus and Rhizobium are the 2 good bacteria. Next is that few diseases that are caused by bacteria are typhoid, cholera, tuberculosis are the examples of few diseases that are caused by the bacteria. So students, these are the properties what I have told you about the bacteria. Now I am going to show you the different shapes of the bacteria. Okay, according to different shapes, they have got different names. Okay, students. So, students, you can see here, I have drawn different types of bacteria here. This type of bacteria is called the rod-shaped bacteria. You can see a rod-like shape they are. Okay, an example of this rod-shaped bacteria is bacilli. Bacilli is the name of rod-shaped bacteria. Here you can see round spherical type. They are all spherical shaped bacteria. Its name is Koki. Koki is the example of spherical shaped bacteria. Here you can see a spiral shaped bacteria name is Spirilla. So Spirilla is the name of spiral shaped bacteria. Another is the comma shaped bacteria. Comma shaped bacteria. This comma shaped bacteria, you can see here, they are comma type, and Vibrio is the name of comma shaped bacteria. So I have just told you before that there are 4 different types of bacteria. One is bacilli, that is the rod shape. Other is the Koki, that is the spherical shape. Other is the Spirilla, that is spiral shape. Other is the Vibrio, that is the comma shape. There are 4 different types of bacteria, and I have already told you that the harmful diseases caused by the bacteria are typhoid, tuberculosis, cholera. These are the few examples which I have given you to just tell you about the harmful disease caused by the bacteria. Okay, students. So this is the first part of the in my video. I have explained you about the different objectives what we study in this chapter, and I have told you about the different types of microorganisms. Among that microorganisms, the first topic of my explanation is the bacteria. I have already told you where these bacteria are found, okay, and what are the benefit and what are the harmful upsides of the bacteria. And there are 4 separate bacteria that I have just drawn and show you, and it moves by the help of flagella that I have already told you. Okay, so students, whatever I have explained you today, I hope so you have listened it carefully and watch the video properly and try to understand what I have explained today, and what the related work and notes will be provided from my side to you. You must write in your copy and learn it daily. Okay student, thank you. Hope so you have enjoyed the class.